So in this video, I'm going to talk about Tesla, what the hell is going on with Tesla, and we will going to analyze and with some technical analysis where Tesla is really heading, and is it a buy or is it a sell or is it a hold, or we'll see what we're going to do with Tesla. So this is one of our favorite stock. So the first thing first, you have to know that Tesla had some very bad few weeks back to back, and it came down literally 47% right from $266 right back down to $139, which we have two scenarios. One is good and one is bad. So first I will tell you the bad stuff about this. The big drop what we got right here, that actually a lot of good investors, they lost hope in this beautiful stock called Tesla. This is one of the bad and the worst stuff that kind of was like a small nightmare for the guys who were just holding, and was just keep on flushing down every single day, back to back consolidation a little bit and again flushing down, and this was kind of nightmare for the investors. But if you see the good side is, of course, a good stock and a good company doesn't just keeps on flushing down. Of course, it'll have a black days, but also back to the normal white and green days. So, and the best part is that we get to buy the stock at the lowest $140. But again, we never know what is the real bottom. I mean, what is the real cheapest price that we can really buy in and get in really cheap and have a big advantage, right? But as the stock flushes down, if guys, whoever they are having cash, of course, they can just keep on adding small pieces by pieces, and of course, your average cost will literally go down. But if you just keep on, if anyone who bought here around 150 to $140, they, of course, they are the luckiest one. Then now they're enjoying a good price and a very good entry. So now I want to show you something here, that this stock is, sorry, 202. Yeah, this is the point right now. This stock has been consolidating. Let me just zoom in. Has been consolidating to these levels. So once it crosses 202 $202.77, of course, then where is the next level that we will gonna stop? The next level, what I am seeing exactly, is $213. So once it goes to $213, folks, right here, so then we will be consolidating between 213 to $202. Then we'll be above $200, and that's going to happen. As soon as that happens, the next level immediately and confidently I can say the next level is none other than $226. But again, right here, once we cross the $226, and again we will come back down to $213. If we have to flush down, have a small correction, of course we will flush it back down and consolidate between right these two levels, 226 and 213. So am I going to add this stock more in my portfolio? Folks, if you want to know, you can join the group, and you can follow me on Instagram. You got the link down in the description. You can follow me on Instagram and join the group of Patreon, and you'll get the Discord access, and you will see there what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and how many shares I'm buying, how many shares I'm selling, and when is exactly the right time to buy, the right time to sell. And join the group, you'll have a big advantages and you're gonna love it. Believe me, you will gonna love it. So you will learn a lot about investing, and you will learn a lot about how to buy, how to sell exactly, and how to make big profits. That's the massive part. How to really make the big profits, you will learn right there in the group. And we are forming a beautiful community with intelligent investors, what we have in the group, and we are loving that. So coming back to Tesla here, $226 will be a massive level and massive achievement for Tesla, because this really clears out all the hurdles right here then we will have something really massive coming up, and that will be the massive level for Tesla is $266. So once we clear out this $226, we are looking right back between $266 to $226. We can come here and get stuck in any range, because even the earnings are coming. When the earnings are coming, of course we want to be just above $266. But again, folks, can this be possible? Of course, any good news comes out, this can be absolutely possible. As Kathy would say, that by 2030 this stock will be worth more than $2,000. So right now it's trading right at $200, and that will be like, if it just, can you imagine at 2030 if the stock is trading at $2,000 Tesla? So in 2024, when you just go back and watch this video of $200 stock trading at $2,000 in 2030, then you will be thinking, oh, what the hell, why I didn't buy the stock in 2024 when I watched that video of Infinity stock, and why didn't I join the group? So have good opportunities. We have amazing opportunities, a lot of stock. But again, folks, you got to know how to read the charts. You got to know how to get in stock. Just don't buy any stock blindly, because you might really be in losses. Because I know a lot of people, they just buy stock because they just love the car. I know a lot of guys who just love McDonald's and burger. They just go and buy McDonald's stock. They love Coca-Cola. They buy Coca-Cola stock. So these are some crazy investors what we see all around the market, and that's what I don't like. So again, I want to show you in something more important in the weekly chart. Here you see. In the weekly chart, we are squeezing right here. Once we squeeze right here in the weekly chart to $215, and we will go narrower and narrower, then we can go up to $264. Again, we have to go on this level. As far as it goes up on uptrending line, and even if it flushes down, then it's okay for us. It's absolutely okay, because we are still sitting on a very, very beautiful side. And once we start getting squeezed here, then we are getting on an uptrend very easily, folks. $266 is on the way. Keep an eye on $266, and right now it's amazing time to buy, believe me. And first of all, join the group. You will have massive benefits. You will see where to buy, where to sell exactly, and how to just lock up your profits in what stock. So you can see my entire portfolio. You can see my day trades, swing trades, and all, how I really make profit, and how I just keep adding money on these stocks and generate more money and keep on adding for the long terms. So this is a weekly chart, and if I really go to monthly chart, you will see another scenario on a monthly chart. On a monthly chart, again, we are on a downtrend on a monthly chart. But again, folks, you see something also very important here. We also started an uptrend. Now again, we are trying to squeeze right here. And if we break this out of the squeeze, hold on, let me just put it right accurate for you guys. If we just break out of the squeeze, again, we are looking for the next is $266, and that's the level we are looking right now. On a monthly chart, we will be seeing very clear $266, $265, but we are not looking for this level 250, because this is some kind of range that we don't have very clear on a daily chart, even on a weekly chart. So I'm talking about something what matches to the majority of the charts. So on a daily chart, even on a weekly chart, we are going good. But again, we want to cross this squeezing point right here. Once we got one, we have in monthly chart, and one we have in weekly chart right here. So once we cross this, folks, we are sitting on a very good side. And for me, this stock is an absolute buy, and I will just keep on adding. But again, I also have an exit price. And of course, I will not just keep on holding for 2030, because I also have another opportunities in so many stocks, and I will just keep on making money there. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, because I'm making this video for you guys, for you to have some idea how this is going and some technical analysis. And just comment me right below what video you want me to make more, and I'll make it for you. And follow me on Instagram. You got the link down in the description. Follow me on Instagram and join the group. Thank you so much. See you next time. Do not or never ever gamble in stock market. Learn some stuff, then approach smartly and intelligently. See you next time.